because it was so overhyped. So here is my trash. And it was already expired, wasting my money. I don't know why आप बोर हो जाते हो. Call me Chindi for this. Hello everyone, my name is Shweta and in today's video we are gonna be talking about Project Pan. तो मैंने Project Pan के बारे में लगभग 3-4 साल पहले सुना था in Shreya Jain's page. In case you don't know, she is an OG Indian beauty content creator and it was so refreshing for me at that time to see a content creator talking about finishing your products. So in Project Pan, basically you finish your existing product before buying or opening a new one. Back in the days, I used to think that Project Pan is only for beauty content creators because first, they have to buy a lot of products to review. Second, they receive a lot of PR packages. And third one, they have to try on new products because that is their bread and butter. They earn through those products only. So last year in 2025, the Project Pan becomes an overnight trend. Like everybody is talking about it and updating their progress. Even the normal people are talking about Project Pan. Because somehow I think all of us collect various products before realizing it. कुछ products ऐसे होते हैं जो हमें सूट नहीं करते हैं. कुछ products ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत अच्छा सूट करते हैं and we want to save them for special occasions. And कुछ products ऐसे होते हैं जो थोड़ा रह जाते हैं बेस में and we open new one and forget about them. So that was a wake-up call for me and I decided to check my collection and I was shocked to see that how many products are lying there in my cupboard which I have not used since last many months and some of them were already expired. So I have been doing Project Pan since last 1 year and काफ़ी सारे empties तो मैं discard भी कर चुकी हूँ but कुछ मेरे पास बचे हैं तो I thought why not to show you all this before throwing it away. So here is my trash. So I will be dividing products in 3 categories. Purchasing, maybe, not purchasing. So first of all, we are gonna be talking about hair care empties. I have low porosity hairs and if you are someone who also have low porosity hairs like me, these products might suit you well. So first one is this Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Hair Mask. I bought this hair mask I think 3 to 4 years back and it was already expired by the time I managed to finish it. It was decent, it does give me smooth hairs but it gave me a lot of hair fall as well. So I am not gonna be repurchasing this one. Second one is this Bare Anatomy Ultra Smoothing Hair Mask. It does the job, suits my hairs really well and I am definitely going to repurchase this one. Third one is this OG Parachute Coconut Oil. You can also use it as a body oil, apply on your hair. It is a multi-purpose product and I am putting it in maybe category. Next one is this Cosmo Q shampoo. It was recommended to me by Dermat but somehow ये मुझे सूट नहीं किया and मेरे hairs इससे frizzy हो गए थे and it also gave me hair fall. So not repurchasing. Next one is this Hyaluron Pure shampoo by L'Oreal Paris. I love this one. Does the job it claims and I will be repurchasing this one. Next one is this shampoo by Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender shampoo. It does the job, doesn't make your hairs frizzy and suits my low porosity hairs very well. This was my second bottle of this shampoo and I'm definitely going to repurchase this again. Next one is this dry shampoo from Batiste brand. This does the job, works wonder after a sweaty workout session. So definitely a repurchase. And the last one from hair care category is this Vita Rich Gloss Serum from Strix Professional. It does the job, but right now I'm using another serum and it suits me really well. So I think it goes into maybe category. So next category is the body care products. So our first product is this body wash from Dove and I love this one, does the job, doesn't make your skin dry. And I will be repurchasing this one but maybe in small size because 1 liter bottles are very hard to finish and over the time आप बोर हो जाते हो same fragrance से. So I will repurchase this one but in smaller size. Next one is this M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrub. I honestly regretted wasting my money on this one because any 2 rupees coffee pouch with coconut oil can do similar job than this one. So definitely not repurchasing. Next one is this Plum Body Lovin' Body Butter in Vanilla Vibes. I bought this one because it was so overhyped. and honestly I didn't like it much because it is a body butter. It is supposed to moisturize your skin, but somehow it didn't work well for my skin, so not be repurchasing. Next one is this plum body oil in vanilla vibes. I love this one. It does the job, doesn't feel heavy on skin, and I have already repurchased this one, so it's going on first category. Next one is this Johnson's Baby body oil. Honestly बताऊँ तो I purchased this one very randomly, but I really like this one and I will definitely repurchase. Next one are these roll-ons by Nivea. When it comes to body care products, Nivea knows what it is doing. These deodorants will keep you refreshed for a long times, and I have already repurchased these ones. So definitely going into repurchase category. Next one is this mini body lotion tube from Plum. I received it as a freebie, and I liked the fragrance so much, and I will definitely repurchase the bigger version of this one. Next one is this hand cream by Joy, and I really loved this one. As I work in a healthcare, we wash our hands a lot, and it keep my hands moisturized. Also goes into repurchase. So you can observe one thing here. I have cutted mostly tube products because I don't believe in wasting a single drop. Some people can call me chindi for this, but yeah, that's what I do. I bought it with my money and I'm not going to waste it. Next one is this Nivea Soft Daily UV Cream. I used to keep it in my bag for reapplication as a hand cream. Loved it, and maybe I will repurchase it in future. Next one is this perfume I bought from Zudio in the fragrance Florence. It was sweet floral fragrance, but it used to last for only 1 to 2 hours. So I am not going to repurchase this one. This was also a mini perfume by Plum in the fragrance Vanilla Vibes. I have removed it. I don't know why I removed this sticker. Maybe I was trying to repurpose this bottle, and I loved this fragrance, and it used to last for 3 to 4 hours. So I think I will be going to repurchase this one. So it is going to maybe category. And the last one from body care category is this Gucci Guilty mini perfume, which I think I received as a gift. I don't like its smell. It was too strong for my taste, so not repurchasing. So मुझे लगा था मैं एक ही वीडियो में सारे एम्प्टीज दिखा दूंगी, बट ये वीडियो ऑलरेडी काफ़ी लंबा हो चुका है. सो आई एम गोना बी मेकिंग अनदर वीडियो फॉर माई स्किन केयर एंड लिप प्रोडक्ट एम्प्टीज. एंड प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट बॉक्स if you need a review of a particular product or if you want to share your project pan journey. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.